Welcome to Wolfe, Calgary. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2026 GMC Yukon Elevation Edition. It's black in exterior color, and the Elevation features a ton of great options. It's powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to an automatic 10-speed transmission with 4-wheel drive, alloy wheels with a polished accent, black running boards, a chrome accented grille, factory remote start. It has LED lighting at the front. It has front and rear park sensors. And let's check out the interior. You have a jet black interior with memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, Bose audio system, leather seats, a hard top roof, power driver and passenger seat, integrated trailer brake controller, 360 camera system, electronic shifting 4-wheel drive, a beautiful display cluster. This vehicle is equipped with the Super Cruise feature, located on the top of the steering wheel. We have a heated steering wheel, a beautiful flow-through touchscreen, push-button engine start, dual climate control zones, and lots of storage, plus a wireless charger. Overhead, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar controls, and we've got the power seat release from the overhead control as well as the power liftgate. At the rear of the Yukon, we have the power trunk release, rear park sensors, a backup camera, tons of available cargo storage room with that third row up. But if you don't need the third row, you can easily lay them down using the power releases to give you way more cargo storage. And again, it also has the up feature on the power control. Your second row passengers will love the climate control zone, the heated seats, as well as 2 USB smart charge ports, overhead roof vents, power windows, and lots of storage in the door. If you have any additional questions about the GMC Yukon, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff, and I look forward to assisting you and welcoming you into our showroom.